Hey everybody, welcome back to Live Free and Tool, and today we are clearing leaves, and this is something in New England you really have to do pretty quickly because it gets cold, they all fall, and then we get a great freeze. Now, something that we're going to do today is we're going to be clearing some pretty heavy maple trees. So look at that, and the leaves are all wet because it did rain, and it's kind of in a shaded area. So it's going to put this really nice, this is the 730 CFM 190 mile an hour leaf blower from Ryobi, and I have paired it right here with the backpack power pack. Now I have three 6 amp hour 40 volt batteries in the back there, and we are going to start out first on a driveway where it's ideal conditions. It's going to be super easy, but you're going to see some really cool performance there, and then we're going to move on to this really heavy wet stuff so you can see how this actually works, and we're going to put it to the test. So hang around, let's go. All right, everybody, so that took a little while. Between running it on low, running on high, kind of mixing it together, getting things done. You can see I cleared out a lot of space here, a lot of leaves. And then if we pan over here, check this out. We did a lot, and this tree produces a ton of leaves. So I'm really happy with how this turned out so far. We still got a bit of work to do. Now there's a lot of work that I actually did not film. And that's all right because I can't film everything. But I hope that this gave you all a good understanding of some ideal conditions and then some not so ideal conditions, and maybe gives you a little bit of confidence in order to make a decision if you're willing to invest in the power pack and the blower itself. I don't think you're going to be disappointed at all. I am super happy with this. It's my second season with the same blower, but I just got the power pack, and it makes a world of difference just to continue and power through getting the leaves done. So everybody, hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and hey, we'll see you in the next video. See ya.